Which way?
Up the pipe.
Oh! This is Mickey's pipe with the mouse in it.
Oh,
Is it on that end? No.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, but I don't see any mouse.
It was sturdy enough that I could see it.
Ugh. Yuck. Watch, the second I stop it, then it'll come out. Oh, yuck. We don't know where the mouse is. Oh, goodbye, Charlie. There it is. I saw it. Oh.
Is it dead? Oh, it's not. It looks like it's a... Oh, it's a mole.
Oh, I don't think I've ever seen one. Video. There was a mole in Mickey's PCV valve pipe. Whatever the heck it's called.